I discovered that ACWA Power includes this discipline in their training, and I got really excited since this is what I have studied in my university, but in a more sustainable way.
I know about the company since I was in high school, but I never imagined that I would be part of their program one day.
Numbers are important in our lives and at work because they signify time. And at ACWA Power, if you ask anyone, they will give you their time.
If you're in a growing environment, your chances to grow with it are much higher.
I never expected to work in a place where I travel so much, and it's an amazing experience.
There are so many courses and workshops that opens your eyes and gives you insights into what's behind our projects.
Renewable energy is here to stay, and growing in this field will definitely be beneficial for everyone.
Make the most of everything available to you. Get involved in every activity and workshop, and give it your all to truly benefit.
Be up to the challenge.